Atma is very, very pure. It's very, very powerful. It's the consciousness in you. That is what your Atma is. And consciousness is Shiva, right? Now, what happens is because of our karmas, because of our prarabdha, because of so many highs and lows that you've done in your life, in your horoscope, you get different planets as Atma Karaka Graha. Okay. Karaka means project manager or energy or karmas that your soul is holding, right? That your soul will experience. You know what? What happens is, suppose in your previous life, right? In your previous janmas, there's something that you have ignored and there's something which is missing in your life. For an example, I'll teach you this in a very simple way. You go to school, suppose you people are in the fifth grade of your school. Okay, this Monday classes have started. So teacher came, he gave you a lecture, he gave you a lecture next day, next day, next day, next day. And there are two subjects where neither you have done the homework, nor you know, written anything, nor you've prepared a test. And now it is next Monday. So teacher comes in and he says, where is your homework? So there's no homework. So if you are a small kid, teacher will write a note on your diary that this homework is not done. Please show it to the parents. Okay. Or the teacher will come to you and will tell you that, hey, you have not done this homework. I need that you should complete it within next 2 days. I will be checking it. So you get that message. Now imagine that that small child is your soul, right? In your journey, you've not done something which is missing, right? So that means out of all the seven subjects, right, there is one or two subjects where you will have to really work for next 2 days, means your next two lives or maybe one life. So one subject of your life, you have to first understand what is that subject and what is missing, right? And you will have to really work around that particular subject. And that subject is nothing but Atmakaraka of your horoscope. It is that one karma which you have not completed. It is that one karma which you have ignored in the past life. And that is why wherever your Atmakarak Graha sits in your horoscope, it is going to give you tons of problems, issues, struggles, lessons of life, tragedies, because it is your pending homework, right? So it is carrying a note, a negative note on your diary, not done these things in life. And then in this life, you will be forced to do all these things pertaining to that Atma Karaka Graha. You will be forced so that everything becomes 0, 0, and you can go to Omkara and you can get out of this circle, right? I mean, Atmakarka are your pending notes. So many things that you have not done, in the past. You have to come out of that. Okay. Now, whenever there is such situation, it is the devatas who would want to barge in. They would come in between and they will help the natives. Now, I'm sure you all will be having Atmakaraka Graha. Atmakaraka Graha is a Graha with highest degree in your horoscope. So, every planet can be between 0 to 30 degree. The planet which holds the highest degree is your Atmakaraka. See, have you ever thought that why one particular planet covers the entire zodiac sign? Like 28 degrees, almost 26 degrees, 25 degrees, 24 degrees. Some of you have very less degree of Atmakaraka, 15 degree, 18 degree. Lesser is the degree, lesser is the weight of the karmas. I mean, shorter is the note. Bigger is the degree, bigger is the note. That you have not done this also, he was not sincere in the class, he was not working, he was making fun of people. This means Atma Karaka 29 degree, 29 degree and 30 minutes. Just covered the zodiac sign all the way until the end. That is the meaning of a very, very heavy karma, heavy load of karma that you're bringing, right? Suppose your Atma Karaka is at 18 degree or 19 degree, right? You are not having a lot of karma. Serena, I'm sure that you have not seen my previous lecture where I have given Rahu as an Atma Karaka and how do we consider. I would request you that you should go back and listen to that 2 hours of lecture, which I specially gave to my students to clear this doubt whether Rahu is Atma Karaka or not, right? So for one liner, yes, we consider, right? Now, if Atma Karaka is like now, I mean, we'll get all the answers. Let me shut down the chat for some time because, okay. So I'll forget many things. So, you know what? Whenever Atma Karaka Graha is there in your horoscope, in a particular bhava, in particular house, even that house will also suffer. I mean, you'll have to really work hard in that particular bhava as well. Really work hard because your karmas have taken that position. Okay, so that means the bhava is that particular copy. Like you have 10 copies in your bag, SST copy, science copy, math copy, English copy, that notebook. So you have to pick up that notebook and you have to start writing on that notebook. That means that particular house where you have that particular Atma Karka is also going to take a major hit. It is going to be the focus, you know, of the world, of the universe, and you. So, what is more important? First, as a planet, Atma Karaka, then in which Rashi, in which house, and in which nakshatra, in which pada. Then it is topped up by many other things. For an example, if your Atma Karaka is also retrograde, right, it is further harassment. If Atma Karaka is, as someone was writing, is also Lagna Lord, it has more impact, right? Atma Karaka is combust, it is exalted, it is depleted. So they are all inputs, like, either there is a support system to the Atma Karaka or there is no support system to the Atma Karaka, right? So we will consider here 8 Atma Karakas, which will also including Rahu. Now, what exactly is an Atma Karaka? How it is assigned to you and me? Naisargik Atma Karaka is Surya, is sun, natural, okay, which came from Omkara, which came from Shiva. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to tell you a very deep secret, and you will be astonished. That deep secret is that Atma Karaka also holds your longevity. एक चीज आप याद रखना. Your longevity is also in the hands of Atma Karaka. Can you tell me why? Because he's holding maximum of your karmas. So suppose you've done all your homeworks and also you've done your final 2 copies, which were written a note or 1 copy. So if that job is done, your homework is finished, right? So Atma Karaka holds the longevity of your this janma as well, that how much you're going to live, right? So you will see people who have very less life, they will have their Atmakaraka beautifully placed. They will have their Atmakaraka. If your Atmakaraka is afflicted in your horoscope, what does that mean? It means that you're going to have a long life. Why? Because affliction is more karmas to be settled. More and more karmas to be settled. You will have to stretch it. Suppose you have not written 20 chapters, right? That means you will take longer time to complete those 20 chapters. If you have 1 or 2 chapters left, you will just quickly finish and go. You'll be free very early. So in we think that longevity is very good, this, that, huh? But longevity technically in the eyes of Shiva is what? Pain. We are here and we are struggling every day. We are dying every day with our debts, our health issues, our problems of the children, problems of the family, financial problems, problems of society. But out of all these problems, the problems that are given by Atmakaraka Graha are the most severe problems. The most severe problems. So, what can we do? Let me first, I'll also tell you that what kind of planet is going to give you what kind of results. But गरुड़ पुराण ये कहता है, and उन्होंने बताया, they've given this solution, that suppose this is your horoscope. Imagine this is your horoscope. This here was Omkara, very high, unreachable. You can't even see that Omkara because you don't have that Shuddhi, you don't have that purity. Now, this Omkara is very, very high. And this is your horoscope. Your soul has passed through so many janmas and problems, and it has finally reached here, sitting in the second house, third house, fourth house as an Atmakaraka Graha, right? He says that wherever your Atmakaraka Graha sits, you have no control over it. Is there a possibility that we can bring that Omkara and place that Omkara on the Lagna of your horoscope? Place that Omkara on the Lagna of your horoscope. Means, can we energize your Kundli by energizing the Lagna of the Kundli and bringing the energy of Omkara on the Lagna? Maybe trying to clear your dirt. And once the Omkara sits on the Lagna, the Atmakaraka will also get energized. And you know what? Who took this responsibility to bring Omkara on the Lagna of a native in Kali Yuga? There's only one Shakti that took this responsibility. And you guys will be astonished. Any guesses? Any guess which Devta would have taken that responsibility? Anyone? You can type. Okay, let me. I've disabled. Okay, anyone who would want to write something. Do you think which Devata, which Shakti? Right? Krishna, Hanumanji, Ram, Vaishno Devi, Hanumanji, Ganpati, Devi, Durga, Ma Durga. Fantastic. Okay, stop because you people are going wrong. One Shakti which has capability to bring Omkara on your Lagna is Bhairava, is Bhairav. It's not these things. It is Bhairava. Bhairava took this responsibility. Bhairava. Okay? Because when Brahma lied to that consciousness, it is the Bhairava who did the Brahmatya. With this nail he chopped off the head of Brahma. Means any extreme papa, any extreme sins that you have done in your life, the Shakti that can, extremely remove those. You see, your sins are actually very, very bad. They are so harsh that they can give you punishment. भागवत गीता में कृष्ण क्या कह रहे हैं कि आई कैन नॉट, आई कैन गिव यू कर्मा थ्योरी, जो आपने लिखा है वो भुगतना पड़ेगा. हाँ, बट Bhairava is one who is sucking your tamas like a vacuum, right? And that is why he is offered tamas and he's taking it. He's not giving it back to you. Bhairava is the one who has ability to bring Omkara on your lagna. Now, once Bhairava has taken this initiative, there were other planets, there are other devatas who followed Bhairava and said, okay, Bhairava, if you will bring Omkara on the lagna of a native, we will now take care of the Atmakaraka graha. So Mercury Atmakaraka, Chandra Atmakaraka, Mangal Atmakaraka, the devatas came and took the responsibility. And there are certain mantras for every Atmakaraka graha. So you all will have Atmakarakas. I'll give you certain mantras for all the Atmakarakas. But they said there's one condition. That condition is first native has to go through the Bhairav sadhana. Right? You will have to have blessings of Bhairava. And Bhairava has his own conditions. Right? Bhairava says, you can start my sadhana, but I would request you, before you start my sadhana, I want that you people should also do Ganesh sadhana. Start with Ganapati sadhana, then do my sadhana, and then you do Durga Devi sadhana, and then you can later on do the Atmakaraka. Okay, so he has his own conditions because Bhairava is with Shakti all the time. He's that furious roop of Shiva who is telling all the devils and all the Rakshasas that, hey, पीछे Shakti आ रही है, Shakti is coming, why don't you get aside? You'll be killed. And when they said no, 50% of Durga Devi's work is done by Bhairava. He's killing and chopping off all those small sins and negative energies. But if someone is like huge, like Mahishasur or someone, then Durga Devi barges and finish it off. It's like a pilot of a chief minister pilot car. That is Bhairava, right in front. And between Durga and Bhairava, there's another, commando force. That commando is Hanumanji. And then behind we have Durga. That's how they are removing the sins of this universe. That's how they are removing all that nonsense. So that means the first point of contact when you are coming to this dharti is going to be of the soul, is going to be with the Bhairava. So that is why people who do Bhairava sadhanas, they very much and very easily connect to their souls and they can listen to what the soul is saying. Any sadhana, Bhairav sadhana within 1 year has ability to give you that result of connecting with your inner self immediately. That is the power of Bhairav sadhana. That is the importance of Bhairav sadhana. Bhairav sadhana along with these mantras can take your dukkhas away. They can burn your karmas away. They will give you strength. They will give you that anesthesia against the pain.